What are the warning signs my HVAC system is about to fail? Weak airflow, strange noises, odd smells, uneven temperatures, and higher energy bills are some of the clearest signs it may be breaking down soon. If your heating and cooling system is acting strange, it is often trying to tell you something before it stops working completely. Weak airflow can mean a clogged filter, a failing fan, or a problem inside the ductwork that is blocking air. Strange sounds like banging, rattling, buzzing, or squealing are not normal, and they often point to loose parts, worn belts, or a motor that is struggling. Bad smells can also be a clue, because a musty smell may mean mold in the system, while a burning smell can mean an electrical problem that needs fast attention. If some rooms feel hot and others feel cold, the system may not be moving air the right way, or the thermostat may not be reading the house correctly. Another sign many people miss is that the unit runs longer than usual but still cannot keep the house comfortable, which means it is losing strength. A small but useful clue is short cycling, when the system turns on and off too often, because that can wear parts out faster. The earlier you notice these changes, the easier and cheaper it usually is to fix them. One common mistake is ignoring a dirty filter, because people think it is too small to matter, but a clogged filter can make the whole system work much harder. A simple fix is to check it often and replace it when it looks dusty or blocked. Another mistake is turning the thermostat way up or down and hoping the problem goes away, when the real issue is inside the unit and needs attention. A better move is to compare room temperatures and listen for new noises so you can spot a pattern. People also miss small leaks around the indoor unit or water near it, which can mean a clogged drain line or a frozen coil. If you see moisture, do not wait, because water problems can quickly turn into bigger damage. Another thing to watch is older equipment that needs frequent repairs, because repeated fixes can be a sign the system is nearing the end of its life. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.